Hey guys, another day, another lockdown. Um, oh, this is fun. 3 days, or 2.5, because it's only halfway through the day now of homeschooling is proving very funny. Um, yeah, see my daughter has been attacking my office room. Um, yeah, so yesterday, Disney Plus went live. I subscribed to it's about a year deal, and my daughter watched Toy Story 4 last night. She was going to watch Frozen 2, though she doesn't really like Frozen. She was going to watch Frozen 2, but that's not available till July. But yeah, that's pretty good, really. All fun and games, really. All this stuff going on, isn't it? It's annoying because we don't get to choose what we normally do. Things like Costa shut down, so you can't go and get a coffee. Most of the other kind of retail shops are shut down, so we can't go and do that. We're only allowed out for short periods of time. It's good that still we can pop to the shop because there are things that we need. Not every day, but a number of days of the week you might have to get a milk or whatever, so that's all good. But yeah, we're keeping positive. I think a lot of people are. Did a second day of the PE with Joe, I think it was this morning, so aching a little bit now, and just sitting here doing some work, which is time consuming. It's a few things which are there that are causing headaches, and part of that is to do with something that's existing in private. Is also to do with the way we remote work. I've worked in a number of places which have allowed you to do some remote work, and then a lot of those you have a laptop and then you kind of connect to the VPN. And I worked at some places which you only have sort of a virtual machine and stuff, but I've worked a couple of places where you have to log into the VPN and then log on to your machine that's in the office, which is not the fun thing because that's the one where you get a lot more slowdowns. So yeah, interesting stuff. I'm thinking about doing a little more share of some other stuff, really, just like things, a little bit of code, and maybe do some gaming if I get the opportunity and stuff like that, just to kind of share a bit more content at the moment. Also, if I'm shaking, I don't know, this is a GoPro 8, so I'm hoping that the tiny little shakes I'm doing with my hand are ironed out by the actual camera itself, but we'll see, shall we? So yeah, we're all keeping positive. Hope you are too. Yeah, I don't really have much more to say. I'm going to try and do as much of these daily as I possibly can whilst we're going through this kind of these times of lockdown. I was talking to some colleagues in Poland today, and I believe he said that they've now been put down in lockdown as well. I also read somewhere on the web, on the news site, let me just go and double check, I think it was like a big percentage, like so many billions, a percentage of the world is now in lockdown, which is quite an interesting. Here we go. About a quarter of the world's 7.8 billion people are under living restrictions, so virtually in lockdown. So there's quite a lot of us now that are stuck. And the interesting thing about these lives with this exercise thing in the morning was, he I don't know when it was today, I missed that one, but yesterday there was like 960,000. But it's getting close to 1 million people joining first thing all over the world, which just shows you the power of consuming content through media these days, when you're kind of forced to live virtually under house arrest. It's kind of like those in lockdown and are looking for outlets. So yeah, interesting stuff. So anyway, I'm going to go and do a bit more work, see if we can get these issues ironed out that we've got, and as I say, I'm looking at trying to get more content and more traction. So anything that does come in, or just come into my mind, I will share, and hopefully you'll find it interesting. Bye for now.